Taking a break from your store? With ShopLentor's Store Vacation Mode, you can pause sales and communicate with your customers seamlessly. ShopLentor's Vacation Mode tells customers when you're back, so you don't lose sales. Setting up is incredibly simple and takes minutes. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Go to ShopLentor, Settings, Modules. Enable the Store Vacation module. Specify the vacation period. Select the start and end dates. Select notice position. Enter a message to display during vacation. You can use these placeholders, start date, end date. You can change the notice color. You can turn off purchases during vacation. Add a new item to multiple schedules. Add a new item of a category specific. You can change the notice style and many other options. Now, save the settings. Visit the store. Add to cart any product. You can see the vacation notice appear. Ready to manage your store downtime without missing a beat? Activate ShopLentor's Store Vacation Mode today and keep your customers informed while you take a well-deserved break.